Get ready, car enthusiasts, because the era of Lamborghini's hybrid revolution is in full swing, and the next chapter is about to blow our minds. The legendary Huracán is finally passing the torch, and its successor, the highly anticipated Lamborghini Temerario, is roaring into the spotlight. Set for a 2026 debut, this isn't just a new model, it's a complete reimagining of what a junior supercar can be. So, buckle up, because today we're diving deep into everything we know about this hybrid beast. First, let's talk about that name, Temerario. In Italian, it means reckless or daring, and honestly, could there be a more perfect name for a Lamborghini? It perfectly captures the brand's audacious spirit. While the Huracán was named after a famous fighting bull, Lamborghini seems to be shifting its naming strategy, moving towards more evocative and character-driven names, just like they did with the REV. Temerario screams power, confidence, and a touch of wild unpredictability, exactly what we expect from Sant'Agata Bolognese. Now for the heart of the beast, the powertrain. This is where things get really exciting. Say goodbye to the glorious, naturally aspirated V10 engine that has been the soul of Lamborghini's smaller supercars for 2 decades. I know, it's a bittersweet moment. We'll miss that iconic V10 scream, but what's coming next is truly next level. The Temerario will feature a brand new, twin-turbocharged V8 engine, paired with a sophisticated plug-in hybrid system. This isn't just any V8. Rumors suggest it's a bespoke engine developed in-house by Lamborghini, not something borrowed from Audi or Porsche. This is a big deal. It shows Lamborghini's commitment to maintaining its unique engineering identity, even within the larger Volkswagen group. This new V8 is expected to have an incredibly high redline, potentially revving all the way up to 10,000 RPM. Can you imagine the sound of that? It might not be the classic V10, but a high-revving twin-turbo V8 promises its own unique and thrilling soundtrack. Lamborghini has even hinted that the turbos will only kick in at higher RPMs, around 7,000, to preserve that exhilarating, naturally aspirated feel at lower speeds before unleashing a tidal wave of torque. The hybrid component is equally fascinating. We're expecting a setup similar to the Ravolto, but adapted for the Temerario's platform. What does this mean for performance? Well, the Huracán Performante already produced over 630 horsepower. The Temerario is expected to shatter that figure, combining the power of the twin-turbo V8 with the instant kick of the electric motor. We could be looking at a total output of well over 800 horsepower, maybe even pushing 850. Think about that for a second. That's more power than many flagship supercars from just a few years ago, now available in Lamborghini's entry-level model. The acceleration will be brutal. A 0 to 60 time well under 3 seconds is almost a guarantee, and the top speed will surely be north of 200 miles per hour. This isn't just an evolution, it's a quantum leap in performance. Now, let's talk design. We've seen spy shots of camouflaged prototypes, and while they hide the fine details, they reveal a silhouette that is pure Lamborghini. It's low, wide, and aggressive. The overall proportions seem to take cues from its big brother, the Revuelto. We can spot the signature hexagonal design elements everywhere, from the daytime running lights to the exhaust outlets. The front end appears incredibly sharp and pointed, with slim headlights that give it a menacing stare. The side profile features massive air intakes, crucial for feeding air to that powerful V8 and cooling the hybrid system. The classic Lamborghini wedge shape is still there, but it looks even more dramatic and aerodynamically sculpted than the Huracán. One of the most talked about design features seen in the spy shots is the high-mounted single-exit exhaust. Nestled between the taillights, this is a design element that harks back to track-focused race cars and gives the rear end a very technical, aggressive look. It also frees up space in the rear diffuser for more advanced aerodynamics. Expect active aero elements to play a huge role in the Temerario's design, helping it to generate massive downforce for incredible cornering grip. Overall, the design looks like a fusion of the Revuelto's futuristic language and the raw aggression of the Essenza SCV1 two-track car. It's going to be an absolute head-turner stepping inside. The cabin is also getting a major overhaul. It will likely follow the pilot-oriented philosophy of the Revuelto. This means a driver-focused cockpit with a digital instrument cluster and a central touchscreen, but possibly also a screen for the passenger, allowing them to feel more involved in the driving experience. We can expect a mix of high-quality materials like carbon fiber, Alcantara, and fine leather, all customizable through Lamborghini's Ad Personam program. While it's a two-seater supercar, Lamborghini has been improving everyday usability, so we might see slightly better ergonomics and storage space compared to the Huracán. The key will be balancing that raw race car feel with the modern tech and comfort that customers now expect, even in a supercar. The chassis and platform will also be new. While the Revuelto features a full carbon fiber monocoque, the Temerario might use a hybrid construction, likely an aluminum space frame with extensive use of carbon fiber reinforced polymer to keep weight down and maintain rigidity. The added weight of the hybrid system, the battery and electric motors, is a significant challenge for any performance car. Lamborghini's engineers are masters of lightweight construction, so they will be working tirelessly to offset that weight and ensure the Temerario feels as agile and responsive as a Lamborghini should. We can also expect advanced suspension technology, four-wheel steering, and sophisticated torque vectoring to make all that power manageable and incredibly fun to deploy. So, what does this all mean for the supercar landscape? The Lamborghini Temerario is poised to completely redefine its segment. It's going up against stiff competition like the Ferrari 296 GTB, which also features a twin-turbo V6 plug-in hybrid system. The battle between these two Italian titans is going to be epic. The Temerario's V8, however, could be a key differentiator, offering a different character and sound compared to Ferrari's V6. The shift to hybrid power is a bold move, but it's a necessary one. With tightening emissions regulations around the world, this is the only way for brands like Lamborghini to survive and thrive. But they aren't just complying. They're using hybridization to unlock a new level of performance we've never seen before. The instant torque from the electric motors, combined with the high-revving power of a new V8 engine, is the recipe for an automotive masterpiece. The Lamborghini Temerario represents the future. It honors the legacy of the Gallardo and the Huracán, while bravely charging into a new electrified era. It promises to be faster, more powerful, and more technologically advanced than its predecessor in every single way. While we'll miss the sound of that naturally aspirated V10, the prospect of a high-revving 850 horsepower hybrid V8 is more than enough to get our hearts racing. The official reveal is expected in late 2024 for the 2026 model year, and you can bet we'll be counting down the days. This isn't just a new car, it's a new statement. The reckless, daring, and brilliant Lamborghini Temerario is coming. What are your thoughts on this hybrid beast? Are you excited about the twin-turbo V8, or will you miss the V10? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our future updates on the Temerario and all things automotive. See you in the next one.